Hi, I'm Charla, and I have had my Nuvia smile since June 22, but also I got my bottoms in May of 2025. I am here to talk about the good side and also the bad side of having dental implants. So one of those things is going to be about price, but we're going to get to that a little bit later. Okay, so first we are going to start with the bad, something that you definitely want to hear about. And I will tell you, so the bad number one is maintenance, all right? It is a little bit of high maintenance when it comes to keeping these bad boys clean, only because you want to make sure that you keep your gums healthy. And so what I find is that after I eat, I want to water floss. And so although that could be a fun experience, it also can be a little bit of a clunky experience, especially if I'm on the go. So it's just something else that I have to think about when I travel to make sure that I have that handy dental tool there for me. But good number one is the fact that I was able to get my confidence back. I am so excited that I have me again. Before Nuvia, I had lost all confidence. But now, after Nuvia, I feel like I can do whatever I put my mind to. So now we are going to bad number two, which is accepting the arch as your own. Something that we have to get over is really our mind. Our brain has to make sure that it knows that this new friend that's inside of our mouth really does belong to us now. The tongue gets curious, the lips get confused, and so it takes a little bit of time and practice for us to relearn how to speak and also how to relearn how to chew. But I promise that it gets better as time goes on. Good number two is the fact that I get this smile in 24 hours. 24 hours. I had my permanent smile. What else can I say about that? That is the best news ever. So that trumps everything, especially this last bad, which is bad number three. And bad number three is the cost. Everybody is wanting to know, like, how much money am I going to have to give out of my pockets? My pockets are looking slim these days, but guess what? My self-confidence and my self-worth is worth much more than what it cost. But if you would like to know more about the cost, there is a cost guide that you can read through so that you can get an idea of how much this may cost for you. We're ending on a good note with my last good, and that is good number three. And it's the fact that I no longer have any pain and I am no longer limited on what I can eat. Before Nuvia, I was experiencing a lot of discomfort in my mouth and I could not chew properly. But now, after Nuvia, I am able to enjoy all of my favorite foods again. I hope that this has helped you. And if you have any other questions, do not hesitate to reach out to Nuvia. All right. So why I wanted to do this video is because I know how much hearing other people's story helped me along my journey. When I was able to hear from other Nuvia patients, I knew that there was a glimmer of hope and possibility for me. So I hope that you find inspiration in this video and the courage and motivation to choose you because you deserve it.